हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हेलो बच्चों, हेलो दोस्तों। आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए एक नया वीडियो लाया हूँ। आज हम बात करेंगे एनुअल एग्जामिनेशन आ गया है। टर्म टू टर्म वन हो गया है, तो ये टर्म वन टर्म टू दोनों के लिए है। साइंस का है क्लास टेंथ के लिए। तो ये सारे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं, इनमें से आपको मिल सकते हैं सब्जेक्टिव ऑब्जेक्टिव में। तो आप हम तो शुरू करते हैं कुछ क्वेश्चंस। तो पहले सेक्शन ए में क्या है? डिफाइन रेजिस्टेंस, गिव इट्स एसआई यूनिट। Define the term electrical resistivity of a material. उसके बाद state the location and function of gastric glands. Number 3, give reason cakes rise on adding baking powder. Number 4, number 4, name the organisms belonging to the second and fourth tropic levels in the food chain comprising the following: frogs, plants, snakes, hawks, insects. Or what will be the amount of energy available to the organisms of the second tropic level of a food chain if the energy available at the first tropic level is 10,000 joules? तो बच्चों, आप लोग ये पॉज कर करके नोट कर लीजिए, इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं। ओके, तो फिफ्थ मैन क्वेश्चन क्या है? Where does aerobic respiration occur in a cell? Sixth, a white compound on heating decomposes to give brown fumes and a yellow residue is left behind. Write a balanced chemical equation of the reaction stating its type. Or a light sensitive compound X of silver is used in black and white photography. On exposure to sunlight, in its color changes to gray. Identify X and write a balanced chemical equation to express the above change. Which type of mirror, question number 7, which type of mirror should a student use if he wants to project the image of a candle flame on the walls of the school laboratory? And number 8, a straight wire carrying electric current is moving out of a plane of paper and is perpendicular to it. What is the direction of the magnetic field? Question 9. Mention the respiratory unit of lungs and excretory unit of kidneys, or name the tissues which transport soluble products of photosynthesis in plants, transport water and minerals in a plant. Question 10. Under what condition does a current carrying conductor kept in a magnetic field experience maximum force? Question number 11. What is the power of converging lens having a focal length of 20 centimeter? Or find the focal length of a convex mirror whose radius of curvature is 32 centimeter. Question 13, 12 and 13. What does the emergent ray in a prism bend at an angle to the direction of the incident ray? And question 13, which of the following does not belong to the same homologous series, that is CH4, C2H6, C3H8, C4H8. उसके बाद हम लोग आते हैं नेक्स्ट। ओके, यही वो एसेशन और रीज़न का है। तो आप देख लीजिए फर्स्ट वाला क्वेश्चन क्या है। इन अ रिएक्शन ऑफ कॉपर ऑक्साइड विथ हाइड्रोजन, हाइड्रोजन सर्व्स एज रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट। रीज़न क्या है? रीज़न है आपका a substance that gains oxygen in chemical reaction is a reducing agent। तो आपको ये बोलना पड़ेगा A है, ये B है, ये C है, D है। 15. The maximum concentration of chemicals and pesticides occurs at the first tropic level. Reason: the chemical and pesticides are non-biodegradable. Or ozone shields the surface of the earth from the ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Reason, ozone at the highest levels of the atmosphere is a product of UV radiations acting on oxygen molecule. Assertions, question number 16, assertion, new combination of traits are observed in F2 of spring when tall plants with round seeds are crossed with the short plants with wrinkled seeds. Reason is tallness and round seeds are both dominant traits. Now question 17 to 20. Question 17. Read the following and answer any 4 questions. Weber performed an activity to observe an important breakthrough made by the English physicist Faraday. He took a coil of wire AB having a large number of turns and connected the ends of the coil to galvanometer. He observed a momentary deflection in the needle of the galvanometer, say to the right, when the north pole of a strong magnet was moved towards the end of B of the coil. So first is question is, name the phenomenon discovered by Faraday. Is it electromotive force? Next. Or is it electromagnetic induction? Is it induction, inductance, or reluctance? Question number 2. What happens to the deflection in the galvanometer when the motion of the magnet stops? Deflection towards left, deflection towards right, and deflection can be in any direction. Deflection of the galvanometer becomes 0. Next, why does Weber observe monetary deflection in the galvanometer? Due to light, due to compass, due to magnet, due to induced current. What will be observed when the north pole of the magnet is withdrawn away from the coil? Deflection towards left, deflection towards right, deflection can be in any direction, no deflection will be observed. And last, 5th question is, what is the function of galvanometer in the circuit? To detect current, to measure potential difference, to measure power, and or to measure energy. Question number 18. Samples of 4 metals A, B, C and D were taken and added to the following solution one by one. Okay, the results have been obtained as follows. तो ये है यहाँ क्वेश्चंस, तो मैं रीड नहीं कर रहा हूँ, आप लोग पढ़ लीजिए. तो इसमें से आपको आप पॉज कर करके लिख लीजिए. तो पहला क्वेश्चन क्या है? विच इज़ द मोस्ट रिएक्टिव मेटल? A, B, C, D. The metal which is stored in kerosene is phosphorus, magnesium, sodium and beryllium. What would you observe if B is added to a solution of copper sulfate, copper 2 sulfate, displacement, decomposition, double displacement or no reaction? And next, arrange the what would you observe if A is added to a solution of silver nitrate? So displacement, decomposition, double displacement or no reaction. Arrange the metals A, B, C, D in the order of decreasing reactivity. तो इसमें से आपको सिलेक्ट करना होगा. तो बच्चों आप लोग पॉज कर करके इसको लिख लीजिए. ओके. तो रेस्ट वाला मैं आपको दूसरे वीडियो में दूंगा. और आप लोग ज़रूर लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. और कोई क्वेश्चन है तो मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके बताइए.